Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I just got finished at the local big box home improvement store, and an unexpected consequence of coronavirus is gardening. So that's right, I went out to my local Home Depot where I like to get my products for making my own soil. And when I got there, they were out of my favorite raised bed mix, which I amend to be my own mix. And they were out of my Sunshine Company 3 cubic feet of sphagnum peat moss. Luckily, I still have half a bag at home, so we'll be all right. But I had to get some stuff because I got some raised beds to fill. Well, it was a little disappointing. I couldn't get everything I wanted, but we'll make do. So what I did was I got some of this Sunshine Professional mix here, and we'll mix that in with some of this garden soil, and I'll put some of my Sunshine Company's peat moss in it too with some perlite, and we'll make a nice little mix to fill up these beds. So we're getting it, guys. It's March 6th today, and I will be mixing up some nice soil, and then got myself a nice pink fruited, or I'm sorry, red fleshed dragon fruit, as well as my white fleshed one, which I've had for years, ended up accidentally disappearing from my property, but we're gonna get that replaced by the contractor because we told him do not take the dragon fruit. So with that, guys, it's a beautiful morning here in sunny SoCal. And with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.